Kocheri, this is Eldos Tankajan, and this is Eldos John. We are the three promoters of Choose My Fresh. Choose My Fresh is a delivery app for rural areas. Right now, we started our services in Kolanjeri and delivering from Muattura to Thiruvannamalai and from Puram to Venmala at a 15 kilometers radius from Kolanjeri. We are offering fresh vegetables, fish, meat, beef, chicken, poultry items like chicken, tandoori chicken, duck, vegetables, and fruits. We came with this idea, Choose My Fresh, during first lockdown last year, but won't execute it due to many reasons. Because we are running different businesses. I'm also from IT business. I'm a director of Globosoft. Mr. John is running another electronics and mobile business, sales and services, and also Mr. Tangajan also running another business. So we were busy with our business and won't execute it properly last year. But we decided to start this immediately. We started the discussions and last month we decided to go with this, and I was in charge for these technical sections of developing e-commerce platform, coordinating with the technical team, and also developing the e-commerce platform and also and both Android and iOS mobile application, setting basic strategies for the digital platform and for this digital marketing as well. Meanwhile, this both John and Tangajan initiated for setting tie-up with the vendors for this fresh meat, groceries, vegetables, chicken, all the poultry items and fruits, and also setting a good team for this delivery and also for the procurement. We categorized our business into 5 sections with a basic principle that we have to deliver. We are delivering only the fresh items to the customers, and the 5 sectors, our sections of our business is, first is technology, because we are implementing this online based business in a rural area. So, and also we are expecting a good number of customers, so the technology should be perfect. And so 5 section, the first thing is technology and marketing. So we went all those things perfectly. And the second thing is that for order taking, and third one is procurement, because we have to deliver a perfect things, so fresh items, and ensure all those things are perfect or fresh. And fifth one is delivery, and the sixth one is customer relationship. We have to maintain all those customers very well. When we go in detail with the 5 sections, first one is technology and marketing. When in technology, our platform is a multi-vendor platform, but right now we released only a single vendor, because we are managing with the vendors, or our vendors are not familiar with this, they are not good in technology, so we are managing this technology. So we released initially as a single vendor, but the platform is supporting a multi-vendor. Once this platform is familiar with the customers, we will definitely giving the training to the vendors and going to implement this multi-vendor as a multi-vendor platform. And both the mobile apps, iOS and Android, were launched, and it is available in Play Store as well in App Store. And marketing, regarding the marketing, we are getting good response. Digital marketing is very well. So in Instagram, in Google, in Facebook, and also in YouTube, in all the digital platform, we are trying to market our business. We are not saying as a business, it's a service. We are marketing this Choose My Fresh through this digital platform, and we got a good initial. And one more thing about our marketing, we are getting means our products means this Choose My Fresh is marketing through digital platforms very well, and the major marketing tool is our customers, because we are getting good reference from our existing customers, and also we are getting returning customers, and they are giving reference to their relatives, families, and nearby people. So Marketing, for the main marketing tool are our customers. They are very supportive, and also our vendors. Vendors are giving our they means they are also getting good business through us. So they are also referring our Choose My Fresh to their customers, that because they can order through this platform and they are getting good business through us. Regarding order taking, the next session of our business, for order taking, we are getting orders through these WhatsApp calls, web, mobile app, and email. So we trained our people how to get or how to manage orders. We classified all those orders. Maybe each order will be consist of meat, maybe vegetable, or maybe fruits. It's all mixed. So we have to categorize all each orders, and we have to transfer these orders properly to the procurement team. And we trained our people very well. I forgot to introduce our team, because we had a good team in our office, and also for procurement, and also for this delivery. Once an order is received, these people will transfer these orders properly to this procurement manager or procurement team. They will take this or transfer this list of orders to the vendors, and confirming whether the whether these items are available or not. And once it confirmed, we will intimate with the customers, and also we will start hiring those items from the vendors, and also immediately we will collect all those items to our office, and we merge all those items together, and we will hand over to the vendors. I already told that we are good vendors, supporting vendors who are providing fresh items and quality items with a very good quantity. And our team also ensure whether the quality is perfect or not. If perfect, only we are taking this from this vendors. Once all those items for each orders, we will number all those orders in order number, and we confirm whether all the items are available, or we check with the checklist, and we will hand over all those items to the delivery team. Delivery team, we classified into three time slots for normal delivery, and also we have express delivery. So once delivery, all the items are ready, delivery team will deliver all those items to the people or to the customers, and so far we managed very well to deliver the items within 1 to 2 hours. We have two delivery options. One is normal delivery, and the other one is express delivery. Express delivery is, we will try to deliver within 30 minutes and maximum of 1 hour. We are serving our delivery absolutely free for all orders more than 1,000 rupees. Right now we are charging a small amount from the customers, 35 rupees for those delivery which is less than 1,000 rupees. We are trying to get a good rate from the vendors. Once a good rate is definitely, once we get the good rate, definitely we will trying to reduce this delivery charge, and right now it's a small amount. We will waive off this normal delivery charge, and getting the customers of free of cost for all the delivery. Within these 10 days, we crossed nearly 800 plus orders, and more than 350 plus customers. Majority customers are returning customers, so we are getting return customers, and day by day we are getting new customers also. So we are happy with the customer feedbacks, their response, and also we are also very much happy to deliver. Our customers are also happy, and we are also happy with this response from the customers. We are very much happy for one more thing, because we are catering a few people at this stage, because many are we are giving job to a few people. They are happy with this, and also we are happy to give this job at this struggling stage of COVID-19. And regarding the next stage, because as I told in the starting, we are planning to launch this shopping app or delivery app for rural areas. In urban areas, all are familiar with this kind of business or kind of shopping method, but in rural areas they are not familiar. So we have to train the people from these areas, and we need to familiarize this idea or this kind of business to these people. And as I told, we are definitely going to execute this delivery or this kind of shopping in all the rural areas of Kerala. In the initial stage, we are going to execute in nearby places in Ernakulam, and also we are looking forward to execute the same in other districts of Kerala. And right now we are looking for franchises, and we are discussing with the other discussions are going on with these nearby places also. So right now we have a discussion in other places, Perumbavoor and also for Peru, and we are getting good business orders. Not for this franchise, we are getting good inquiries regarding does we have any delivery options in the Movattura or Kodamgalam or Todupuzha and from Kuthattura. So we are planning to execute as a franchising model. So we have to looking forward for a perfect partners from there. And the last, we are very much thankful to all our customers, because within this 10 days we crossed more than 800 plus inquiries. So we are very much thankful to all our customers, because they accepted this new shopping method or new startup or new team, and they trusted very well. So they tried with our service and very much happy. So also they are referring our Choose My Fresh to their relatives, friends, and with their contacts. So we are very much happy with the customers. Okay, because one more thing is that they are giving, or they are motivating us, they are serving us our mentors, they are giving good response to our delivery team. So we are very much thankful to the customers. That is one important. We are very much thankful to our team, because they are neglecting the rain, they are neglecting the other difficulties. So they are trying to deliver prompt service from us, and for both the delivery team and also from the procurement team. So they are working very well, and I'm very much thankful to our team. And the third one, we are thankful to the police, Puthangudi police, because they are also giving good support to us. They are allowing us to deliver our service through other areas. So we are thankful to the police, Puthangudi police especially, and other mentors who giving the advices, ideas, or giving support to us. We are thankful to all the mentors and supporters. And last, we are thankful to our vendors, because they are giving good quality items to us. Also, they are promoting our business to their customers. So we are very much thankful to the vendors as well. So thank you all for accepting this new business startup and accepting as a good delivery app for a rural area. So we are very much thankful.